Ever tried using a VPN at school, work, or on public Wi-Fi, and it just doesn't connect? You're not alone. Networks are getting smarter at blocking VPNs, and it can feel like there's no way around it. But the good news is, Surfshark has a hidden feature called NoBorders Mode that can help you get online safely even on restricted networks. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Surfshark's NoBorders Mode to bypass network restrictions, stay private, and keep your connection secure, all in 5 simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what NoBorders Mode is, why it's useful, how to enable it, how to test it, and how to keep it running smoothly on any network. This is one of the easiest ways to make your VPN work where others fail. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. Because before you can use it, we actually need to know what NoBorders Mode actually does. Surfshark's NoBorders Mode is a specific feature that lets you bypass VPN restrictions on networks that normally block VPN traffic. That means whether you're on school Wi-Fi, hotel Wi-Fi, or even in a country with strict internet rules. This mode helps your VPN connect when a normal connection might fail. Here's an easy way to think about it. A regular VPN connection is like a door. It works fine until someone locks it. NoBorders Mode is like a secret tunnel that finds another way around the locked door so you can still get online safely. Why this matters? Networks, firewalls, and VPN detection are stricter than ever, so features like NoBorders Mode aren't just nice to have. They're often essential for getting a reliable connection in restricted environments. Now that you know what NoBorders Mode is, let's talk about why it even exists. Understanding this will make it much easier to see why you might need it. Many networks like schools, workspaces, hotels, or public Wi-Fi actively block VPN traffic. They do this for a few reasons: to control bandwidth and make sure that everyone has a fair share of the connection, to enforce network rules like blocking certain websites or apps, and to monitor traffic for security or legal reasons. Today, VPN detection has become smarter than ever. Simple VPN connections are easy for firewalls to detect, which means your regular VPN might get blocked or fail to connect entirely. This is exactly why Surfshark created NoBorders Mode. It's designed to trick firewalls and restricted networks so your connection goes through smoothly, without you having to change complicated settings or do anything technical. Now that you understand why NoBorders Mode exists, let's get hands-on and enable it. Don't worry, it's super simple, even if you've never used this feature before. If you haven't already, click the link in the description below and log into your Surfshark account or create one if you don't have one. The first step is to open the Surfshark app. You can do this on Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. Then go to Settings, tap VPN Settings or Advanced Settings, and scroll down until you see No Borders. Then simply tap it to toggle it on. Surfshark will then automatically detect if your network is restricting VPN. Sometimes Surfshark will recommend a nearby server for better performance. Pick it if prompted. Click Connect and the app will establish a secure connection, using NoBorders Mode if needed. No technical setup is required. It's just a toggle in the app. And this works the same across all major platforms. Alright, so now NoBorders Mode is enabled. It's time to make sure that it's actually working. Testing is quick and will give you confidence that your VPN is bypassing restricted networks. Firstly, you can try accessing previously blocked websites or apps. If they load successfully while connected to Surfshark, that's a good sign. In the Surfshark app, make sure it says connected and shows the server that you selected. No error message or disconnections means that the VPN is running smoothly. You can also run a speed test to ensure that your connection is stable. You don't need maximum speeds. Just make sure that the VPN is functional and reliable. You can also use a site like whatismyipaddress.com to confirm that your IP matches the Surfshark server location and not your real location. Now that your NoBorders Mode is working, let's make sure that it keeps working smoothly. These tips will help you stay connected on restricted networks without running into problems. Keep Surfshark updated. Updates often include improvements for bypassing VPN blocks and bug fixes. servers. Turn on automatic updates if possible, so you're always protected. Secondly, you can switch servers if needed. Some networks might block certain VPN servers. If you have trouble connecting, try using another nearby server. Surfshark usually recommends the best ones. Make sure to reconnect when switching networks. Moving from one Wi-Fi to another or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data can temporarily break the connection. Disconnect and reconnect to ensure that NoBorders Mode adapts to the new network. Enable extra security features. Turn on Clean Web or other Surfshark security tools to block ads, trackers, and lastly, be aware of heavily restricted networks. Some networks are extremely strict, like certain corporate or government setups. In rare cases, you might need to try multiple servers or wait for Surfshark updates to bypass new restrictions. Today you learned what Surfshark's NoBorders Mode is, why it exists, how to enable it, how to test if it's working, and simple best practices to keep it running smoothly. The big takeaway is this: if you're on a restricted network at school, work, or public Wi-Fi, NoBorders Mode is your tool to get online safely and securely. If you want to try Surfshark's NoBorders Mode yourself, use the link in the description below to get the latest deals. Just so you know, this is an affiliate link, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using those links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free step-by-step tutorials just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.